This is the intestinal wall repair week 1. I feel better. I look a little better. I feel stronger. My intestines are actually kind of working instead of collapsing. Let me say this again. After 1.5 weeks, just one, my intestines are no longer failing. So we're going to cover new groceries in like a quick synopsis. We're also going to talk about new things we learned or picked up in the process. The first things that popped up at the grocery store was this. Let me say this again. This is it's a type of collagen. It should have been the glycine substance. That was the pure collagen. This is something else. Oh no. Yeah, this is a higher dose of glycine in the amino acids. It has a lot of the amino acids in it, actually, if you look on the back. So this has been one serving a day. So we're at here with the glycine, and then we're here with the glutamine. We're on like 3 bananas a day, and we're on peanut butter. And I want to introduce almond butter, and almond butter is like $10 a bottle, and peanut butter is like $2. So I'm going to buy peanut butter. And then we're also doing the CRI return on all the food. And so then I'm like, how do I budget for the almond butter? So my brain's going, and I'm seeing all the A&R marks on the food. Let me say this again. When I go to the grocery store, I see the A&R marks or the CRI tags. And I see where everything is going to return on my body or in my karmic field. So here is Waitrose Organic, Dutchy Organic. So this is a red stripe at best. It's in the Dutchy Organic brand. Woohoo! And then we have gluten-free pasta. So the better or the more positive or the lower CRI return is like 2 order stripes. That's the most I've seen ever on food. Most people are not there in life. Let me say this again. The people who made that food were 7th housers. Real ones. Like the kind of ones that came from other planets because they were ors. And then they're doing light work at an or level. So they might not have their A&R work physically filled out yet, but they will because they're ors. All right, so let's go over this again. The substance, the amino acids for intestinal wall repair were the glycine and the glutamine. Glycine, glutamine. 1 cup a day is good. The next is like, I'm eating eggs and kimchi. Let me say this again. If you don't like kimchi or you don't like sauerkraut, you buy gluten-free pasta, or you buy your eggs, your good eggs. Like if you're in the United States, Vital Farms eggs. And there probably is a higher CRI return egg place other than Vital Farms, but they're all right. So you have, then you put your kimchi or your sauerkraut on those. And it's easy. And it's every day for 5 months. Okay. We learned the telomere binding diet. So I'm like, we're going to go full force with the intestinal wall repair, and then we're going to start on the telomere binding food at the end of the year. So we're going to integrate the two. I have to find a way to put almond butter in. All right, this is literally the, like, can I think of anything else that needs to be reported or said after week 1? I'm weak physically, but I'm stronger and like more whole. That's it. Collie run out.